The tortoise then managed to reach the bird, and then he killed the bird, and the tortoise ate the bird. It was like late afternoon, maybe 5 o'clock. We just noticed one of those tortoises acting a little bit strange, stalking a bird, not yet fledged, so unable to fly. They went on like that for about 7 minutes. The tortoise wasn't just, try its luck, but it really was determined to get the bird. So we realized that really the tortoise was actively hunting. Tortoises are scavengers. They eat dead birds, they eat dead lizards, millipedes, and so on. But it was literally the first time that that event was documented. When I realized what was happening, I thought, okay, I don't recall reading anything about that. Someone told me, do you realize that maybe you are the only person in the world who saw and documented that? And I said, no, I really didn't. Nature is cruel. When we do this kind of job, that's also what you sign for, So it's not all nice and pretty.